Bitcoin moves 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But here's the secret that most retail traders don't know. Almost all of the biggest, most profitable moves happen during just 3 specific windows: the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. These are not random times on a clock. These are moments when institutions wake up, when banks open, when liquidity floods the market. And if you are not trading during these windows, you are leaving money on the table. But if you are trying to trade them manually, you are exhausting yourself. Today, I'm going to educate you on exactly how session breakouts work, why Tokyo sets the stage, why London ignites the moves, and why New York often finishes them. And then I'm going to show you how a session breakout bot can capture every single one of these moves automatically. No screen time, no late nights, no emotions. Let me explain why sessions matter for Bitcoin. Unlike the stock market, crypto trades 24 hours a day. But that does not mean every hour is equal. The Tokyo session begins 12 a.m. This is when Asian markets wake up. Japan, Singapore, China, Australia. During this session, you often see the first direction of the day. Tokyo sets the tone. If Bitcoin breaks a key level during Tokyo, it often continues into London. The London session begins 7 a.m. This is the most liquid session of the day. London opens, and suddenly volume explodes. Spreads tighten. Price moves fast. Many of the biggest breakout moves happen within the first 2 hours of London. The New York session starts 9 p.m. This is when the U.S. markets wake up. New York often confirms or reverses the London move. If both London and New York are moving in the same direction, you get a powerful trend day. If they disagree, you get chop. Here is what most traders get wrong. They try to trade all 24 hours. They get burned out. They make bad decisions. They lose money. But professional traders know that the real money is made in these 3 sessions: Tokyo, London, New York. That is why a session breakout bot is so powerful. It focuses only on these high probability windows. It does not waste energy on low liquidity hours. It waits. And then it strikes exactly when the breakout happens. At the beginning of each session, the bot identifies the high and low of a specific look-back period, usually the previous 1 to 4 hours. That range is the session box. When price breaks above that box, the bot buys. When price breaks below that box, the bot sells. That is a breakout. Why does this work? Because institutional traders place massive orders just outside these ranges. When price breaks out, it triggers their algos. Momentum kicks in. The breakout continues, and the bot captures the move. Let me give you a real example from the London session. London opens. For the first hour, price is ranging. Indecision. The bot does nothing. It waits. Then, at 4:15 a.m., Bitcoin breaks above the London session high. That is the breakout. The bot enters immediately. Price runs $50. The bot takes profit. Trade done. All within 30 minutes. The same pattern happens in Tokyo, in New York, every single day. This is not luck. This is statistical edge. Here is what makes a session breakout bot even smarter. It does not just trade any breakout. It filters for volatility, volume, and time of day. It avoids breakouts that happen 5 minutes before a major news event. It avoids breakouts during low liquidity hours. It only takes the highest probability setups. That is how a bot can achieve an average of 2% profit daily. Not by gambling. By executing a proven session breakout strategy hundreds of times with perfect discipline. Let me break down each session so you understand exactly what the bot is doing. First, the Tokyo session. This session is often quieter than London, but do not ignore it. Tokyo sets the range. The low of Tokyo often becomes support for the rest of the day. The high of Tokyo often becomes resistance. A good session breakout bot watches Tokyo carefully. The bot captures the entire run because it enters early and rides the momentum. But here is the best part. Tokyo happens while you are sleeping if you live in the US, or while you are at work if you live in Europe. A manual trader cannot watch Tokyo consistently. Now you understand how Session Breakout works. Let me introduce you to the Session Breakout bot I use. Here is what this bot does. It makes an average of 2% profit daily. Not 2% a week. That compounds fast. You can start with as low as $10. That is less than a pizza. The bot works with small accounts because it uses proper risk management. The bot trades on weekends. Most bots shut down Friday night and restart Monday morning. Not this one. Saturday and Sunday breakouts are captured just like Monday through Friday. The bot is fully automated. You do not need to stare at your screen. You do not need to wake up at 3 a.m. for London. You do not need to stay up late for New York. The bot does it all. You just install or connect, and then you walk away. And if you are a beginner, we give you free copy trading. You do not need to install anything. Just connect your account to our master account. Whatever trades the master takes, your account copies automatically. Same entries, same exits, same profit. Plus, full guidance if you get stuck. I know what some of you are thinking. 2% daily sounds too good to be true. A session breakout bot that trades Tokyo, London, and New York automatically? Where is the proof? The proof is verifiable. Live results, real money. Every trade recorded. Every session breakout captured. The link is in the description. Go look for yourself. You have a choice. Keep trying to trade manually. Keep losing sleep. Keep missing breakouts. Or let the bot do the work.